Sea. The sea is home to many animals. For ages, millions if not billions of living creatures have been living in the sea. It is a beautiful place, a paradise, where all living creatures can swim freely and happily. And that is not even all that makes the sea so beautiful. You see, not only does it provide a beautiful living place for the fishes and corals, it also provides the Mother Earth with oxygen. Up to 70% of the oxygen we breathe are produced by the ocean. And that is why the ocean is called the heart of the planet.
Do you know what is sea pollution?
Huh? What is that?
Yeah, of course. So basically, sea pollution, on my understanding, is that any wastage of chemicals, or any rubbish, or any non-biodegradable materials that's thrown into the ocean is definitely causing a sea pollution, which causes a very harmful and disadvantage, and of course is destroying the aquatic ecosystem, and of course the aquatic life as well. So such as coral, maybe fish, or things like turtles, or whatever species that live in the sea is definitely gonna damage them, got affected by all this sea pollution. So yeah, that's all my understanding.
Can you draw an image of the sea?
Okay, no problem.
One hour later.
Can you describe what you draw?
Okay, the weather is nice and there's big waves, and there's a jellyfish, fishes, and a baby fluffy octopus, and starfishes, and corals.
So how do I imagine the sea to be like? So first of all, I have drawn this very, I don't know what I draw, but it's something that I imagine. It's supposed to be a sea is to be a very relaxing, very peaceful, yet it's very suiting for the whole scenery. But with all the pollution and with all the rubbish around, especially with all these disposable rubbish, it in fact has destroyed the scenery, the nice scenery and relaxing mood and environment for all the sea, especially the seaside. So other than that, like these aquatic livings, it actually damaged a lot. So what I imagine is the sea is going to be something that's very relaxing, something that we can reduce the stress. But with all the rubbish in it, I don't think it's very pleasant. It's actually very disturbing and it's very disgusting as well. So yeah, that's all what I imagine the sea to be like. Thank you.
As the world's population continues to grow, so does the amount of garbage that people produce. Plastic pollution has become one of the most serious environmental issues, as rapidly increasing production of disposable plastic products overwhelms the world's ability to deal with it. Plastics were mostly made out of synthetic organic polymer made from petroleum, and it is hard to be broken down. It might take 450 years or more to decompose a plastic bag. Every year, about 300 million tons of plastic are manufactured for use in a wide range of applications such as water bottles, daily household items, and more. The reason factories produce so much plastics is because it is cheap to be produced and easily to be shaped compared to recyclable items such as steel. Plastic is an incredibly useful material, but it is also made from toxic compounds that causes illness. And since it is meant from durability, it is not biodegradable. One of the most common issues of plastic pollution is neglect and indulgence from humans. Examples like fishing nets used by commercial fishing, they are usually made out of plastic ropes, and these nets spend long time submerged in water, leaking toxin, and also often get broken up or lost in the ocean. This not only kills and harms local wildlife, but also pollute the water. This is a serious issue, but humans did not stop these actions and decide to ignore it. Besides of that, some of the waste from land were carried by the rain or wind into ditch, rivers, and lastly end up into the ocean.
Plastic production has been increased rapidly, from 2 million tons in 1950 to 330 million tons in 2010. According to some experts, plastic manufacturing will be doubled by 2050, reaching 12 billion tons. Every year, over 8 million tons of plastic flow into the sea from rivers on each continent. Asia with the highest input of 86% and with a wide gap apart of Africa, South America, North America, and Europe. It was also said that there are 5.25 trillion macro and microparticles of plastic trash floating on the sea. Over 100,000 of our favorite marine animals in the water are harmed due to the 5.25 trillion pieces. Every year, plastics kills millions of species, ranging from birds to fish to aquatic organisms. Plastics are known to have an impact on almost 700 species, including endangered species such as turtles and sharks.
If you feel a sense of guilty after hearing what we have caused and what we have done to the ocean, just remember that it's never too late for us to make a change. We still have a chance to save our ocean and restore it to its original state.
Here are a couple ways to stop the ocean plastic pollution. Solution 1. Sign for a petition. We can help by signing up for a petition made by the Greenpeace organization. It is a petition to demand the CEOs of the largest producers of single-use plastics to take responsibilities for their product, letting them know that we no longer want products with single-use plastic packaging. Solution 2. Spread words. Another thing we can do is to upload posts and tweets on social media, highlighting the problem while tagging the responsible brand. We need to spread the word to make sure the responsible corporations get the message while also spreading awareness to the public at the same time. Besides that, the Ocean Cleanup Organization also came out with a brilliant solution. And here is a short clip to further explain it in detail. This is the Interceptor. It is developed by the Ocean Cleanup Organization to get rid of the plastic in the ocean. Their goal is to clean up 90% of the floating ocean plastic pollution. It extracts plastic autonomously and is capable of operating in the majority of the world's most polluting rivers. It is also eco-friendly as it is 100% solar-powered. For it to work, a barrier will be placed to guide the riverways into the opening of the interceptor. Then, the current moves the debris up to the conveyor belt to extract the debris from the water. It then delivers the debris into the shuttle, which then distributes the debris automatically across 6 dumpsters. When it is almost full, it will automatically send a message to the local operator to collect the waste. The wastes are then sent to a local waste management facility to be processed. And that is how the Interceptor will help clean our ocean and solve ocean plastic pollution.
The ocean is very important to us. Without the ocean, it will be literally impossible for us to even survive on our planet. It's time for us to make a change and create a better environment for our future. So, let us work hard together and save our ocean from pollution.
Every drop in the ocean counts.
Be a wise man.
The sea
It's not a garbage can.